In this video, we will draw oranges in different shapes. I will first draw a baseline on which all three pieces are resting. And I'm going to start with the whole orange. Although it's in the very back, it's in the center, and it's the largest object, so I'll start with that. To draw a complete circle, I'm going to draw two lines at 90 degrees to each other, and then measure the same distance from the center in all four directions, and then connect these 4 points with a curve. This is going to take a lot of tries, and in the beginning the curves will be horrible, but if you keep drawing over and over, eventually you will get the shape right. Once you have a shape and you're happy with it, you can proceed to draw the stem. And then the leaf. I'm first drawing the spine of the leaf. And then the two halves. Next, I'm going to draw the half orange. Because it's at an angle, what we are seeing on the cut face is not a circle but an oval. So what that means is that the dimension is not the same in both directions. One side is longer than the other. And once we've done that, we can draw the rest of the orange. This also will take several tries, so keep trying until you get the shape you want. As you can see, these curves aren't really perfect, but they'll be okay by the end. Then I'm going to draw a smaller oval inside, which is the thickness of the peel. And then in the center, the white pith. And in the remaining space, I'm going to draw several segments, about 10 or 12. You don't have to be very exact about their size. They don't all have to be the same. And finally, the wedge. I'm going to draw a line parallel to the baseline. And then almost a semicircle, but a little bit flatter. And then I'll add a parallel line for the thickness of the peel, like we did before. The center pith, and then the segments. And that's all the line work. Now I'll go ahead and ink this. Although I started drawing from the very back, when I'm inking, I'm going to do the reverse. I'll ink the objects that are in front and then go to the back. So in this case, I'll draw the leaf because it's in front of the whole orange, and then in the remaining space, ink the part of the orange that I can see. And so that's about all for our drawing. And now I'm going to shade the inside of the orange just to add some variety. And that's our finished drawing. A colored version of this drawing is on my Instagram if you'd like to take a look.